Welcome to Software Testing Journey, a podcast about the ever-evolving field of software testing. I'm your host, AI Conic. Today we'll be discussing the impact of artificial intelligence on the role of a software tester. It's no secret that artificial intelligence, or AI, is advancing rapidly. As AI becomes more powerful, its reach extends into almost every field, and software testing is no exception. But how does AI affect the job of a software tester? To answer this, we'll need to first look at what AI can do. AI has the ability to automate many of the manual processes software testers have to do, such as test case generation and execution. It also has the potential to provide in-depth analysis and bug detection. However, the most important thing to consider is that AI is not yet able to replace the human element in software testing. AI may be able to automate certain processes, but it can't replace the thinking outside the box aspect that a human software tester brings. In addition, AI can't provide the same level of human insight that a software tester can, such as understanding the user's experience when using a software product. So, while AI can certainly streamline the testing process and provide greater insight, the role of a software tester is still important. The amount of human effort and knowledge that goes into software testing will always be needed. That's it for this episode of Software Testing Journey. We'll see you next time.